Well, hello everyone. This is Peter Brown with your weather for the next 7 days here in the Burlington area. Here we are heading in towards the second week of April. The weather's been kind of nice out there, been a little bit dicey here at the end of this week and getting into the weekend where we've seen a lot of clouds and showery weather around. That, unfortunately, when we start out our period on Friday, is going to be pretty much the name of the game around here in the Burlington area, with our temperatures about average for this time of the year in the mid-50s. But again, with some of those dreary conditions out there, just going to be very cloudy and very damp out there. And that's going to extend, unfortunately, into most of our weekend coming up. But as we get towards the end of the period, when our average highs should be in the low 60s just about for this time of the year, we are going to be seeing our temperatures probably nearly 20 degrees above our average highs as we head towards the end of the period. So it looks like we have some really warm weather heading our way as we head towards next Thursday. And of course, as you notice, the days keep getting longer and longer as we head further into spring. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area in terms of temperatures and precipitation for the next 7 to 10 days. And I think you're really going to like both of these maps, probably just the same way I did. Looking at our temperature map, they are expecting us to have very high chances of above average temperatures here. And actually, the highest chances of above average temperatures are going to be right here in southern New England, all over the country. We have the biggest chance of having those really nice warm conditions. Now, as we look at our precipitation chances, another great thing, looks like it is going to be drier than normal around here. So some warm, dry spring weather coming up our way here in the Burlington area. That is some great news. Going to have to keep an eye out for some fire weather coming up, though, because when we get some of this very warm air in the early spring, usually comes along with some very dry air. So we have to make sure that we don't have any sparks from any lawn equipment or anything out there, because it can start up a small blaze pretty quickly when we have breezy, warm, dry conditions. As we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up, and I think you're going to be happy with this 7-day forecast. Unfortunately, it looks like our weekend is going to be slightly damp out there. It doesn't look like a complete washout, but definitely not the best part of our period coming up. Our highs are going to be stuck in the low to mid-50s each day with a chance of spotty showers every day. Now, as we get back to work, of course, starting on Monday, skies are going to clear out. Just some fair weather clouds. We're going to be seeing our highs getting up into the low 60s, and that trend is going to continue upward 5 to 10 degrees almost every day. And look at this. By the time we get to Thursday, we're going to be seeing mostly sunny skies out there, and temperatures, what I'm seeing right now, looking like they're going to get pretty close to near 80. And we're probably going to have some big thunderstorms next Friday afternoon as a strong cold front approaches, as we get some humidity in here. So we have an actual early summer-like feel to the air as we head towards the end of the period. So definitely something to look forward to. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.